Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and today I'll show you how to enable a screen recording option. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel, and for me it looks like the toggle is located right here. So on the second page, for you the location might vary, so just look throughout all the toggles, but that's where it is for me. So before you actually toggle it on, you want to hold it, and this will take us to the settings, or you can change a couple things. So number one, we have sounds, so no sound, media sound, which is just what the device will be playing, and then you have media sound and microphone, so choose whichever one you want. Now at the very least I would say media sound, keeping that on would be a good option. Then you have the video quality. I'll keep it at 1080p, at the lowest 720p, but anything below that I wouldn't recommend. It's just gonna look kind of crappy. And you have selfie video, so if you're planning to record some gameplays and stuff like that, you can enable your camera, and here you just have the size of the little circle that will be displayed on the screen with the selfie cam. So now once this is all set to the preference that you want, you can just quit it and again go to the notification panel, and now simply toggle it on. And if you're doing this for the first time, you'll need it. I need to allow the access to a location and all those media, microphones, cameras and stuff like that, so it can use them. And it also asks you right here what you want to record in terms of sound. Start recording, and should pop up. Oh, there we go. This little overlay, and this overlay can be moved around. It's completely not visible on the recording. And from here you can also toggle your camera on, as you can see, and once it's toggled you also can move it around, so you can change the position of it, and once you're done recording, tap on the square right there, and that's it. The video recording can be located in your photo gallery, as you can see right here. That's today, or also in the album as screen recording. And from here I can tap on play. I think there we go. Again, let's allow that. As you can see, it will be automatically playing. Not much is happening. There we go. And there's the camera. Now it's being moved around. So that is basically how you would record your screen. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.